Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to insert and use an Excel spreadsheet in OneNote. This is incredibly useful when you want to organize data, create tables, or manage lists directly within your notes without switching between multiple apps. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Wait a moment for everything to fully load so you can access all the features you need. Once your notebook is ready, we can begin the process of adding that Excel spreadsheet. Now head out to the Insert menu located on the top part of your screen where all your tools are situated. This is your hub for adding various types of content to your notes, from images to files and spreadsheets. Click on Insert to reveal all the available options. From the Insert tab, look for the Spreadsheet dropdown. This is where you'll insert and use an Excel spreadsheet directly in your notes. When you click on it, you'll be prompted to select between inserting an existing spreadsheet or creating a new one. The process is quite similar between these two options, so let's walk through both. For inserting an existing Excel spreadsheet, click on Existing Excel Spreadsheet. A File Explorer window will appear, allowing you to browse through your computer's files. Look for the Excel file you wish to insert, select it, and then click on Insert. Here's where it gets interesting. You'll be prompted with three options on how you wish to display your spreadsheet. You can choose a file attachment, a spreadsheet view, or transpose the data into a chart or table. Select Spreadsheet among the three options, and you'll see your spreadsheet content beautifully laid out on your page, ready to view and interact with. Now for creating a new Excel spreadsheet, the procedure is just as straightforward. Click on New Excel Spreadsheet instead. You'll be given a blank Excel grid right there in OneNote. To add content, simply click on Edit on the top left part of your screen. This action will open the Microsoft Excel app in a separate window, giving you full access to Excel's powerful features. Enter all the data and information you wish to add to your OneNote into this Excel grid. Take your time organizing your data, adding formulas, or formatting cells as needed. Once you're done, save the Excel file. After saving, you'll see all the data you just input automatically added to the spreadsheet you've embedded in your OneNote page. This seamless integration means you can manage complex data without leaving your note-taking environment. And that's it. You've successfully inserted and configured an Excel spreadsheet in OneNote, giving you powerful data management capabilities right within your notes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.